Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nara. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for future videos. As you guys can tell from the title, today I'm going to be unboxing my brand new MacBook Pro 13-inch. This is my first time ever buying myself my own electronic, or at least laptop. So I'm really excited. I'm happy. It's a little weird. I feel like this is a monumental moment for me, even though it's just a laptop to some people, but I spent my own money, so you know, it was great. Next time I wanted to unbox it on camera because I've seen a bunch of unboxing videos and I thought it was, you know, ASMR, interesting, aesthetic. So I figured, why not? And I decided to get the MacBook Pro over the Air because it's better for editing and just overall, really, what I heard. So I thought it would be a good choice. Let's take the computer out. Here she is, all pretty, in a little packaging. Okay, so I'll give you guys the specs on the computer that I decided to get. So I got the MacBook Pro, the 13-inch one. I really love the 16-inch one, but it just didn't seem practical, especially if I want to take the computer onto campus with me. So I'll just settle with 13-inch, it's fine. I got mine in silver. I know a lot of people like the space gray, but personally, I like the silver. I like their lighter shades better, but again, teach your own. And then I also got the 2.0 hertz and then the 16 gigabytes, and I got 1 terabyte. And then the reason why I decided to get the 1 terabyte of storage is because I wanted to get as much use out of this laptop as humanly possible. I plan to be in school for at least the next 6-ish years, and so I wanted as much storage as I possibly could get out of the computer, so I didn't mind spending the money now because I will benefit off of it in the future. Also, if you're a student, I do recommend purchasing the laptop now till September because they do have student educational pricing for students and teachers, I believe it is, off of all their devices if you buy a brand new one, which is why I decided to wait till now to get it. I could have gotten it earlier, but you know, gotta get your little discount in. So I got the computer and I also got a free Airpods with it, my first pair of Airpods. I'm following the Airpod family with the rest of my family here. So I got the Airpods for free, which is $159 off. Got my MacBook, I think I got $100 off of it, it came off. And then also the Apple Care, which I did purchase because I don't want any mishaps happening with the computer. I went from $269 to $215. So I highly recommend if you're a student right now and if you need a computer and you're willing to get an Apple one, to do it now. Okay, now for the part that you've all actually been waiting for. The reason we're all here, the reason I'm here, is we're finally gonna unbox it. Well, actually, let me do the AirPods first because those, let's save the best for last. So I just got my regular AirPods here. Well, I say like I've had AirPods before, a pair of AirPods before. Anyways, we're just gonna open it. Okay, it just comes with the instruction manual. And then your AirPods. They look so tiny without a case. Or is that just me? Let me see. Oh, and then it comes with the charging cord, so all you need is the box. I don't know what it's actually called, but yeah. Let me see. This is an ASMR, can you guys hear it? And these are them. I'm gonna put them in. Who am I? Who is she? It's so weird. I'm used to having cord AirPods. Ooh, look, I'm gonna set them onto my phone right now, actually. Do you just like put them, how do you set them up? Look at it, it's coming from my phone. Connect, we're connecting. Who set it up? Yes, let's set up Hey Siri on my phone. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? That's weird. Well, I mean, not weird, but it's weird having AirPods when you go from wire ones. I'm very late to the game. Okay, now that we have those all connected and out the way, let's get on to the real beauty. Oh, okay, now for the real prize of the show. A little tab right here to just pull it off. So here we go. They should have did like all around. Okay. A small free. Okay, so I don't want it to like fall or anything. I'm so excited. Why am I so excited? Well, because I bought it for my own money. That's what I'm excited. Ah, here it is. It looks so nice. Okay. Okay, let's take her out. It feels heavier than the store. It's like, I don't know, it feels a little bit heavier than the store. Before we get into the actual computer, I'm gonna show you what it comes with. It just comes with the charger, well, the charger cord. Comes with the instruction manual and some stickers. You know, classic Apple always give you stickers when you spend $2,000 with them. You know, great trade-off. I'm not being shady about Apple, obviously. And then it comes with the charging block. And then they have the tab here as well. You just put it down. I watched so many YouTube unboxing videos. These. And here we go. Come on. Ooh, mine didn't turn on right away. Everybody's just always turns on right away. Take the peel off the top. Hold up, we'll be right back. First, I hope I don't have a dead one because everybody's always comes on automatically, but Apple Care. See, this is why you get Apple Care, guys. Let it be a lesson because my dreams almost just got crushed. But yeah, you know, look at her. Oh, pretty. My case comes later today, so I'll just insert that footage of me putting it on and everything when it's time. But let's go over to my desk so you guys can get a better view of me setting it up. Okay, I hope you guys can see better. Oh my god, the touch bar and everything. Now I'm just picking where I live, which is the United States. Screen time. Ooh. Now we're gonna set up Siri because it had the touch bar at the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. I'll insert like a clip of it right there, and then just enable Siri on it. So I'm gonna do that right now. The same thing I did with my AirPods. But hey Siri. Hey Siri, open documents folder. Okay, I'm gonna put it off my phone as well so you guys get a closer look. But here we go. And it's just like your phone, like this. I believe it's the 7 that has the fingerprint as well. Oh, she's going broader. There we go. Touch ID is set up. Ooh, light, dark, or auto. Set an appearance to see how the document menu looks. You can adjust to get it. We're going to these preferences. I prefer light. Well, let me see dark again. No, I prefer light. There she is. Oh, and she's dead. Let me charge her up. I got you, baby girl. I got you. Dang, you spent $2 grand to count. Let's give you a charge. Let me stop complaining. Okay.